Hi, this is Rusty, the Carburetor Doctor from CarbKitSource.com, and I'll be telling you today about our CK219 Premium Rochester Quadrajet Carburetor Kit. This kit covers many 4-barrel Quadrajets, the non-computer controlled type used on Chevy and GMC trucks in the early 80s, roughly about 80 to 84, and all the applications are listed on our website. A quality base gasket, thick 1/4-inch nitrile-coated gasket with the original type standoffs on the corners for proper sealing and mounting, like some of the cheap paper ones out there that don't have the standoffs and maybe aren't even the right shape. The nitrile coated float bowl, the throttle body gasket is the correct thickness and resistant to heat, methanol and ethanol. Carburetor kit covers several different applications, some of which have 9 screws and some have 13 screws holding the top part of the carburetor to the middle. The float bowl and the air horn held together by 9 or 13 screws. You can always tell the 13 screw applications because this part of the gasket's a little bigger and they have this extra screw hole here. A quality Quadrajet kit includes the air cleaner gasket, Viton tipped needle and seat. Viton is methanol and ethanol resistant, so this will work with modern fuel. The various clips and seals and the little round gasket that is for your fuel inlet fitting that come with this. Screws for the choke thermostat, clips for the choke thermostat. If you have a hot air choke, you'll need this gasket. If you have an electric choke, it doesn't use a gasket. You want to replace the original rivets, tamper-proof, tamper-resistant rivets that hold the choke cover on. Those are included as well. Accelerator pump, pivot, roll pin. And if this happens to be an M4 MED carburetor, then you've got this little gasket that goes underneath the dual capacity pump valve on the M4 MED. Complete instructions and adjustment specifications. Of course, we also have a service manual of all the ins and outs and theory of operation if you need that. Ruler for adjusting your float. And what makes this a premium kit is the complete Viton accelerator pump assembly. Most kits that are out there only have the accelerator pump cup. This plastic part, which is made out of nylon, or it should be made out of nylon in a quality part, wears out and it breaks and then you're stuck. These are almost impossible to find. We have them, and our Quadrajet kits all feature complete accelerator pump assemblies. Thank you very much. This has been the story of our CK219 carburetor kit, available at CarbKitSource.com.